Jhal Muri recipe. Here I put onions, pyaj. Then I add some finely chopped chili, green chili, hari mirch. Next I will add finely chopped potatoes, boiled potatoes, aloo. Mix it slightly. Add salt as per requirement. Mix it. Add jeera powder if you have. Next add red chili powder. This is Everest red chili powder, tikha lal. Mix it well. You can add lemon juice and namkeen, and your aloo chaat is ready. And if you opt for jhal muri, then don't add lemon juice, otherwise it will give a sour taste. So you can add namkeen, and then you add muri, and on top of the muri you add mustard oil, and then mix it well. Your jhal muri is ready. I will show you. Here I am adding namkeen. Mix it well. As I said, if you want to make aloo chaat, then add this lemon juice on top of it and have it. Your aloo chaat is ready. But if you want to make jhal muri, then don't add this lemon juice. Your aloo chaat is ready. For jhal muri, add muri. On top of this muri, you add this mustard oil. Mix it well. The jhal muri is ready.